I have 4 muffin tips for making bakery style muffins at home. Tip number 1, rest your batter for 15 minutes in your mixing bowl after you make it. This is gonna allow the starch molecules to swell and absorb, creating the thicker batter, and a thicker batter is known for doming. Tip number 2, fill your muffin holes with at least 6 to 8 tablespoons of batter. That's like a heaping half cup, okay? You want them super full so they're gonna create that dome. And tip number 3 kind of goes along with tip number 2. You're only gonna fill every other hole in your muffin pan. And why do we do that? That's so the muffins that are baking can spread and dome without running into their neighbors. Because when they run into their neighbors, they get like square edges, but we want perfect dome circles. Tip number 4, you're going to bake your muffins at a high temperature initially. That's gonna be 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 7 minutes, and then keep them in the oven and lower the temperature to 350 degrees for the remaining bake time. Starting the muffins off at a high temperature initially allows the muffins to rise rapidly, and it sets the outer surface of the muffin, producing a dome shape. There you have it, my 4 muffin tips for creating bakery style muffins, aka super domes at home.